Hey everybody, we're at Buckner's Family Restaurant, Jackson, Georgia, and it's about to go down. All you can eat buffet. Got some pretty cool merch, some t-shirts. Knife set. Some sauces. It's like a lazy Susan table. They bring out some good food for you. It smells great in here. We are at table 15. From what I know, this table's going to accommodate up to 10 people. Like I said, a lazy soup. They bring the food out to you. All you gotta do is chow down. Yep. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Corn, green beans, potatoes, mac and cheese, coleslaw. We finna get right. Oh yeah. Chicken and ham, home cooked.
Now I've got butter up top in the middle for your bread. I'm actually going to refill it. And I'm Shauna. If you need anything, I'll bring extra napkins, okay?
Is it possible to get some extra mac and cheese?
Yeah. We'll keep filling it up as much as you want.
Okay.
Thank you. So whenever you need more, you just ask and they'll bring you some more out there to you. All right. You ready, Lillian? Got a nice meal put together here. Some stewed tomatoes, green beans, coleslaw, mac and cheese, mashed ham and chicken. Got some bread I gotta put on there next. Looks good. The waitress will come check in on you and see if you need anything else. And she'll just keep bringing it to you. Can't beat that. Barbecue sauce to add to the meal. Throw it on this lazy Susan here. That way it can make its way around. This ham's really good. I went with the Buckner's sweet heat barbecue sauce for my chicken. And this sauce is really good. Lillian just got a refill, some mac and cheese. Uh-oh. Just found out when we get done eating, they bring out some dessert. So today kicks off the peach cobbler. We've been doing that one, but it's peach this time, so hey, it's gonna be a great night. Well, they bring out your desserts, and they have a dessert tray for you right here. You just go from there. If you decide to take some stuff home and put it in the to-go box, they weigh it out, and I believe it's $5 per pound. So if you want to take some stuff home, that's how they do it. Found out Lillian likes peach cobbler. Is it good? She likes everything she can get her hands on. Yum. Yummy, yummy. We'll take a quick look at the menu and some of the pricing. It's real good food here. And here's some of the pricing. And this is always a plus. Real good restaurant. Well, that does it. The tummy is full and the brain is happy. It was a great meal. Hey, check it out. As always, the dudes did it again.